Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Peugeot 968 Hypercar, and this is by Hot Wheels, and this is a new casting for 2025. So okay, I bought this for MRP, which is 179. Let's unbox this and see how this one looks. This feels a bit heavy. So I honestly don't know if this is supposed to be a petrol car or it's an electric car, but I thought I originally thought this is an electric car, but by the looks of it, it is not. I guess it is just an exotic car, maybe like a hybrid, like Lamborghini does. I'm not sure. Just comment, guys, because I honestly don't know anything about this car. So just guide me a little bit. Okay, so let's talk about this casting. This is a bit heavy and it is a bit, big. Okay, the casting looks absolutely solid, and I think this is supposed to be a headlight. Yeah, these three here, three grooves here, these are supposed to be headlights here. That's what it is mentioned in the card. I don't know if I showed you guys the card art here. Let me show you once. Here is the card art. See, these are headlights. So let me just put the card nearby. Okay, so you can see the gap here that shows the rims, the wheels. Okay, so the body is fully metal including the spoiler, but this part here, this I don't know if it is supposed to be air scoop. Yeah, that is supposed to be air intake, you can see here. So that is actually in plastic. So the windshields and everything here, these pieces are in plastic, and this is tinted in black. It does have interior detailing to it, but again it is not clearly visible because they black tinted it. Again, they could have went with white for this kind of cars. That would look really cool inside, right? And I think this is supposed to be the exhaust, if I'm not wrong. Let's see if I'm missing out something here. I don't know if this, I don't think this is the exhaust. Maybe this is the exhaust on this one. Here you can see the fuel filler cap on both sides, the logo here. So this specific set of rims actually goes well with this particular car. That is really nice. I personally like the color combination on this one, the white paint with green and black. That actually looks really good. It's more natural. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. Okay, so I told you this is metal, this piece is plastic, this is plastic, chassis is also plastic, including this front bumper splitter, the lights here. So even I think these are supposed to be tail lights. All these pieces are plastic. Okay, so let's weigh this car now. Wow, 40 grams. That is really awesome. That is really nice. Okay, let's do a roll test for this car. I am a bit excited. My excitement just stopped midway. this, okay, it is actually getting caught in the track itself. See, I can't even push it with my finger that easily. I'm actually giving a considerable amount of force, to be honest, guys. If I'm giving this much of force on a couple of matchsticks, that will break immediately. See? Oh my god. Okay, let's take it out. No point in doing a roll test again. Okay. So let's rate this casting now, since we have the card art, so we know that this is supposed to be headlight and this is supposed to be tail light, because this one I'm just guessing because the same thing they did it in the front, so this is supposed to be tail light. Okay, it doesn't roll well, so I'm just taking 1.5 for everything. Okay, let me just see one more thing, guys. Okay, this part is plastic, I can see. Okay, now, my god, I need to look over, I guess, every time. Okay, so the headlight part here, that is actually acrylic. So let's stop there. So I'm taking 1 out of 10 because they didn't paint anything for the tail lights or headlights, but at least they went with acrylic here. But I'm reducing the point for the rolling purpose. It is a hard wheel. It is supposed to roll at least on its official track. It is not doing that. So this is going to be common for everyone just because of the size of this car. So if you are a collector just like me, then don't worry about it. Don't worry about the specific rating. If you're going to play with it or roll it at some point in time using a launcher or something like that, or like this, which I'm doing now, then you need to consider it. So 9 out of 10. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. As always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.